small value. Three students measure the length of needles which a scale on which minimum division is 1 mm and record as 0.2145 meter. Number 2 is 0.21 meter. Number 3 is 0.214 meter. Which record is correct and why? 0.214 meter is correct record. Reason: as the least count of the scale is 1 mm or 0.001 m, so length can be measured in 3 decimal point. And also all saying is that chain is only as strong as its weakest point. When statement can be made regarding experimental data used in completion, its analog statement is: a result of experiment data is only as much accurate as its least count reading. In experimental data, the period of simple pendulum is measured by stopwatch. What type of errors are possible in the time period? Following errors are possible: random error, systematic error, personal error. Random error. Random error is name several repetitive phenomena occurring in nature when could survive the responsible time standard. Following are the repetitive phenomena according to the nature when changes the responsible time standard: random of planets around sun, spinning of earth about its own axis, rotation of moon around earth. Give the drawbacks of the using period of the pendulum as a time standard. The time period of a simple pendulum is given by t is equals to 2 pi l divided by g whole under root. Hence time period depends upon l and g. As g is different as different place, so it will affect time period. Length due to the seasonal changing may vary with effect of time period. Force of friction due to air and a point of support will affect time period. When do find it's useful to have two units for a amount of substance of kilogram and mole. It is used as a unit when we use the unit is kilogram. Kilogram is used for the large standard value and mole is used for the small value.